Hello beautiful people, in today's class we'll be learning how to achieve this beautiful kimono gown with a slit at the center front. So I'm drawing the starting line. This is our starting line. I'm taking the vertical measurement now. For my neck depth I have 3.5. Shoulder to hip I have 25 plus half an inch for joining at the shoulder, and shoulder to the desired length. So for the width of this gown, I'm dividing my hip circumference by 4 and I'm adding extra 4 inches. Hip divided by 4 plus extra 4 inches. 1 inch is for sewing allowance. That is what I'm marking there. That is it for the width of this gown. Hip divided by 4 plus extra 4 inches, 1 inch for sewing allowance. And you connect the lines straight down. No shaping on this gown. So for the shoulder slope, I came down by 1.5. For the neck width, I have 3 inches, and you connect the two lines together. For the neck depth at the front, I have 3.5. For the back, I'm marking 1.5 inches, and you connect the lines this way. For the slit at the front, I have 4 inches. So determine your sleeve opening plus your sewing allowance. And you connect the lines together. You make a slight curve at the angle. I came in by 1 inch at that sleeve opening and I slanted it this way. So for our pocket opening, determine where you want your pocket to start from. For the opening of the pocket, I have 6 inches. That is how wide I want it. I don't want it too wide. You place your hand and shape or draw the pocket. This is it for the pockets because I'm cutting the gown together with the pocket. So for the slit at the center front, I went in by half an inch from that center front. And I came down by 4 inches and I connected the two lines together. You proceed to cutting this pattern out. So friends, if you have gotten any form of value from this video, please consider to like, share and subscribe. I would really appreciate it. And endeavor to say something at the comment section. Please say something. Tell me whether you enjoyed the video or not. Just type something at the comment section. I would really appreciate it. Thank you for watching and thank you for commenting as well. So we'll be separating the front from the back. So we'll cut out the front neckline. We'll cut out the front neckline. For the slit, I'll be working on it when attaching the facing. So this is the beautiful gown. Thank you very much for watching. God bless you.